Hello viewers, in today's video I'll show you how to find your WER or word error rate by using the Pocket Phoenix. So if you know about the Pocket Phoenix or CMS Phoenix tutorial that how to train your acoustic model, then after that you can find the WER or word error rate, or you can find your accuracy of your model by just following the video. So just see and watch. First of all, you have to use the Pocket Phoenix batch bin file by using it if you have installed your Phoenix folder like this, which have 3 to 4 folders like Pocket Phoenix, Phoenix Packs and Phoenix Friends. So first of all, you have to open your Pocket Phoenix folder, and then you will go to bin release, then Win632, and then you have to run this batch file. So for using this, I'm using the cmd command. Let me open it, and now you have to open it by using the path, which is kd out by indicating there. So you can use the just copy this file, and after this you can just put the slash after it and use the name of the file, or you can directly put the file, drag it and drop it into the cmd. It will do this by using the path, or it will just add the path of the file. Now you have to use the cd command. As you know, if you know well about the cmd, so cd used for change directory, and it will change the directory to the this current folder or directory. Now you have to use some script which I already made it here in my text. So you can use the Pocket Phoenix batch underscore batch, and using this script you have to follow the test file IDs, which will be in your model parameter. If you train your acoustic models, it will be here, etc. In etc folder it will be the test file IDs. So I just what did I do? I just did that I copy these files in this directory where my batch file is present, and I just rename it by test file IDs. And after this you have to choose your LM dash LM, and in quotations you use the name of your language model. I just use the name because I already place it in the directory where my batch file is present, and it is lang m.lm.bin. If you don't have this file in this directory, so you will have to choose the path like this, okay, path and following by this name. So as my files are already in this directory, so I don't have to choose the overall path. So in LM you will use the language model, in DECT you will use your dictionary, and in HMM you will use the acoustic model folder, which is by default. Here I change my name is AC model, and then after it type the following script. So let it copy it and paste it here. So by doing this, it will just create a hypothesis file, name of the test.hype, which will be placed in this directory, and in my case it is here, test.hype. And for transcription, again you will have to open your acoustic folder. In etc you will have the transcription folder, but test transcription, and just copy it and place it here in this directory and rename it by using the test.transcription. So I got these three files: test.file IDs, test.hype and test.transcription. Now what you have to do, that you just go to the Phoenix folder and open your Phoenix train folder. If you don't know where your word align.pl file is present, so just search it here by searching. So this is a PROV format file, so you have just to open file location and then Okay, so now you will have to change the directory. So for the changing directory, I will be using the cd, and then again the same method, put it by drag and drop, and remove the last one file. I only just want the location. Now you have to use the Perl keyword by using it in the CMD directly, because the file which I want to run, this is of word-align.pl. so the extension pl means it is a Perl formatted file. So for this purpose I used the keyword Perl by following the word-align Perl. Okay, so now just I used to word_align.pl, and after this I will need those two files which I have created in my Pockets Phoenix folder. So I just go to my Pockets Phoenix folder, my bin folder, release 32, and just got these two files. So for these two files, as I mentioned before it, that I am using the Phoenix train file path, and these two files are placed in this file format, in this path. So what I do, that I just copy this file with path here. So first of all I have to choose the transcription file, okay, with path. Remember it with path. If you don't choose the path, so it will give the error. And then after this I'll use the hypothesis file here. Now I have the word align with the test transcription followed by the path and the test hypothesis. So I just here enter the last one, and it will print out the accuracy. In my case it is 97.9%, which is the accuracy or correct word, and the error is 2.8%. so the 97.292% is my accuracy. So by this way you can find your WER or word error rate. Thank you.